How to add pairs on MT4. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 4 app, and now in this section you'll be able to see there is plus icon at the top right corner of this section, and you can also see there are lots of pairs of forex in here shown in the screen. First one EUI USD, second one GBP USD, and so on. So if you don't find your pairs, then what you can do is you can see plus icon, just tap on it and you need to search for your symbols in here. Let's say XAU USD. So now you can see there is XAU USD available over here. So simply tap on plus at the left side, and yeah, your pair will be added to your courses section successfully. So as you can see in this screen just down below. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add your pair on MetaTrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.